Hi and welcome to Tutor Cruncher. In this video I'll be showing you how we can use and create ad hoc charge categories that can be used on a job or a lesson basis. So these can be created beforehand if you have certain charges that you want to assign to a lesson or a job and you want to send on an invoice to a client. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our system settings and we're going to go to our accounting section. Here we're going to create our ad hoc charge category. So we're going to give it a name. In this case I'm going to call it test correcting. And we're going to give a brief description of what it is. You can also add how much you're going to pay the tutor for this and how much you're going to charge the client. So for this we're just going to put in £10 and we're going to click save. Now when we go to a job, you can either assign this on the job page itself or on a lesson. If you decide to add this category on a job, it will bring up all the details of that category that you created, as well as how much it's going to charge the client. You can select which client it's going to charge, and then you can automatically send an invoice straight away for just this ad hoc charge. For the moment, we're just going to add this ad hoc charge category to the lesson. So we go to our lesson here. We're going to select that category. I'm also going to select the client it applies to. I'm going to click add. Now when we go to raise the invoice for this job, we're going to see that that ad hoc charge category will also be on the invoice for that lesson. So we go to our accounting, draft invoices. I'm going to regenerate for that day as well. Now if we go into this draft invoice, we can see all the appointments here, as well as the ad hoc charges. So we can see here that that ad hoc charge category is appearing on the invoice. You can also delete it, and then you can raise that invoice if you wish.